Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the crafty world. I hope you are all doing fine. Today's tutorial is about this beautiful fruit basket. So let's get started. To start this, you need 180 inches of 8 cords folded in half. And now we will make a gathering knot here to make a hanger like this. Cut these ends and make a hanger by folding it like this. Now bend this and make another gathering knot here. Like this. So we'll have this hanger here. We did this gathering knot and this gathering knot. We will divide these into 4 groups, each group having 4 cords. Now we will start making some spiral knots. Start making spiral knots. We will make 20 spiral knots. After completing these 20 spiral knots, we will make a switch knot, leaving a 2 inches distance. Like this, and we will add a bead here. Add a bead and then make a square knot. Like this, and now again make 20 spiral knots in a row. So now I made 20 spiral knots. Add a bead here and make a square knot. We will make some picot square knots here now. Leave 1 inch distance, make a square knot. Now leave 2 inches distance and make a square knot. Like this. Again, inch distance and make a square knot. Now pick these 2 cords and drag the other cords above like this. Small, then large enough and small. I added a bead here after these 3 picot knots, and we'll make a final square knot here like this. So in this way we have these 4 similar rows. Now we will add this ring by some diagonal half edges. Now bring these all 4 cords inside this ring, and one by one pick the ring, and just beneath this square knot start making half edges. Like this. So as you can see, I just attached this ring by using these 4 rows, and every row is equally distant. It's 5.5 inches distance between every row, and they are all attached very equally, and this results in a balanced ring. So I am adding 8 cords by reverse locks and knot on this last section. Like this. We will add 8 cords here evenly. So this is the final 8 cord I am adding here by reverse locks and knot. Here. So as you can see, I added 8 cords, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and they must be evenly distributed. And now we will take 2 rows coming from above and start making square knots. Like this, we will make square knots, and then we will make alternative square knots. So continue making square knots here first. And now you can see this is the last locks and knot, reverse locks and knot, and this is 2 rows coming from above, and we will make a final square knot here. I have completed the square knots, first row square knots. So as you can see, we just complete this ring. We made 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So we made 5 rows like this of square knots, and we just had this floral pattern. Now we will take this small ring and we will bring all the cords inside. So now you can see we have done with all the half hitches. Now separate the long cords, all the long cords, and start making spiral knots. We will make 10 spiral knots for all the long cords, like this. Pull these cords tightly so that the above basket will be tight enough. And so here you can see, after making this gathering knot above for the first basket, we did a pattern here. It's similar like we have done above. We made 10 spiral knot this time, and then we did a switch knot 2 inches distance. Then we added a bead here, square knot, then switch knot 2 inches distance, square knot, and then another switch knot. After this we added a bead, and we made 3 picot square knots like this. We added a bead, and here how we finish this. We will do the same for rest of the 3 cords, and then we will continue further. After completing the patterns of rows, now I'm adding another ring and this is 12 inches of ring, and we will start making half hitches just beneath this square knot. So I just wrapped the ring by the jute cord, and now I will again add 10 cords here by the help of reverse larkspur knot, and these are 45 inches long cords. We will do the same like we have done above, but this time we will add 10 cords, and we will continue to do. So now I just completed wrapping the whole metal ring. Now we will start making square knots. Pick these two and these two and make square knots. We will do exactly the same what we have done in the above ring. So we just completed the 5 rows, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will add this ring here. Now all the ropes are passed through this ring. Now we will start making half hitches like we did before. Keep these fifth row square knots above the and we will do this for the whole ring. So we just completed our project today. I hope you love this beautiful fruit basket. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until the next tutorial, please take care of yourselves and Khuda Hafiz.